Now, in the last session, we have discussed this list tag. We have two different type of list: ordered list and unordered list. So they are very simple. For the ordered list, the default list type is disk, and we have two more type of ordered list. They are circle and square. And for the ordered list, the default list item type will be numbers, and we can have alphabetical ordered list, small alpha and capital alpha, small Roman and capital Roman list. Okay. We also have the start attribute, which is used to start the list item from the given number. Okay, from the given number. You might have got it out, sir. For alphabets, there are only 26. So what if I give the number more than 26? Did you get that out? If you give the value 6, the alphabets will start from F. Okay, totally how many alphabets are there in English? 20 or what do you say in Hindi? 26? 26. Okay. Actually, when I was a kid, I learned Hindi, but I forgot now. Yeah. 26. What do you call 30? Tees. So what if I give this number 30? Just see this. How it is displaying? A, D, A, E, A, F. Okay. If we give 27, the list will start from A, A, B, A, C again. Okay. If we give something like 27,000 or 2,70,000, the list item will be still on 4 digit. So that's the power of alphabets. Now,
ordered list are 2 types.
Ordered lists are of 6 types, man. 5 types. First one is number, small alpha, capital alpha, small Roman, capital Roman. So when you get into this CSS styles, there will be 4 more different styles will be appended. Okay, I'll tell you when it is time. Okay, and we're discussing CSS. I'll tell you again. There we will have a property called as a list style type or something like that. In that, we can play with the list. Okay. See this now. Okay, let's go with the next concept called as div tag. Okay.
What is the difference here and div tag?
What is that?
What is the difference between div tag and div tag?
Div tag and
Div tag.
there is no comparison. Don't compare those two. For combining comparing Ramayana with Mahabharata. Both are of different stories. See, div is basically used to what? Okay, give it. See, the div is used to align the text to left. This is left side text. Okay. And if you want to align the text to center, you can align the text to center. If you want to align the text to right side, text will be aligned to right side. Where is this? Div. Okay. This is how the division tag will work in HTML. If you want to give any background color, you can give BG color equal to
Means direct line.
light blue. If we want to give background color to this division, we can give it light green. It's not working for division tag. Just take it easy. In future, we'll be giving colors to all the tags that we want HTML. So as of now, the division tag is used to align the text to left, center, and right. Okay, the division tag is very important, man. In future, if you want to, if you want to divide the screen into different parts, so each part will be a division tag. Okay, the division tag is very important in HTML because if we want to divide the screen to left side menu and top menu and the main body container, okay, for everything that you see on a HTML screen, each part is considered as a division. Okay? You'll divide the screen by using div tag. Okay, this is very important. You'll get to know the importance of this div tag in future. Okay, that is it. And next one.